Hello guys, Jamie here from JAYP Cars, and today just a quick little video of the Mercedes. It's going up to the garage today, but the biggest question is, did it start? He plugged a battery into the car, but unfortunately the car didn't tick over, it didn't do anything, so it's going up to the garage and hopefully they will be able to sort it out very soon. So we had a bit of an issue. The person that came to pick up the Mercedes put it into park from neutral and it locked up. He couldn't get it back out of park, so I had to find a way to go underneath the surround for the gear stick, and find the button, press that, and it released the gear. But that wasn't great, didn't give it much hope, but we managed to get it onto the trailer in the end.